Nagkita kita dito. Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Ayan. Masaya na. Ay, ikaw dali, hindi ka nakakapinsan mo. Oo, ayan. Okay, dalawa. Ayaw sila dalawa. Ayaw eh, ayaw.
Ayaw. Ako yung dalawang nanalita, Nay.
Ay, nanalita dito.
Ako hindi ko nakakapapos sa kinakain ko. Hindi, ito. Yes, sir. Take Nanay Lita. Doon kayo sa may Christmas tree. Ang singi regalo dyan sa may ano.
Kita regalo.
Ayan, saan dito si tatang mo?
Hey!
Doon, sa ano?
Ay, nako, musta na makakatingin.
Nakaw, you have to...
Nasawa.
Girlfriend.
Ano din mix ka na? Dito na uwi.
Kayo na nagaan, ha?
O, paano?
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Ah, Merry Christmas, sir. Ay, di ba? Hindi, parang...
Ayaw ko nung ganyan.
Di ba, para makita ka doon. Kaya tabi.
Sana! Tawagin natin si Ama. Antang! Tawagin natin si Antang. Antang! Halika, ito kami kinakalatros. Doon nga, nakain kami. Halika kumain ako. Sarap na ang pagkain dito. May lugaw, may balisyana. May lugaw, may balisyana. Naku,
Sabi mo ano oras, ano ba yun? Dito, may sintong dito.
yan na. Biyernes dito, hindi pa Pasko. Bukas ang Pasko.
Anong oras ba? Anong oras na ba ngayon?
Ha? Ngayon?
Ah, nagdi. Alas 7? Alas 8? Alas 7? Alas 7? Alas 8? Alas 7? Alas 10? Alas 10 na natanghali doon. Oo.
Merry Christmas, Ate Santa.
No, 12.
Ano ba buhay niyo dyan?
Anta kami po.
Ang sarap ang sarap ng pagkain. Ang sarap naman ng pagkain.
Ito, tagana kami sa pagkain, pero na-homesick na raw. Ang gusto namin makauwi-uli yan.
Maririnig niyo ba yun?
Ano ba yun?
Oo.
Ay,
Oh. Salita kayo dito. Oh.
Fiesta.
kasi uwi ako.
Oh.
Nyo.
Hindi mo kama ako na address.
Ay, kung dinagdadag yun. Minasagin na yung tawanan natin.
Oh.
Lisette! Yan yung Lisette! Lisette! Kumakain kami ng lumpia. Lumpia, tsaka talaga.
Doon ka kanina. Para kasi ano? Ano si Mon?
Kami napakasaya rito. Lalo din ako di kumain. Ayan,
Naglayuan yung dalawa. Oh, tipe. RG, oh.
oh, ayan na.
Oh.
Ako, Kabite.
Kamustahin mo si Rick?
Ricardo! Si Rita. Tawit! Namimiss ka na Ayi. Kilala ko niya. Pamakin mo ni Marcia. Bernardo. Hey, that's my brother!
Oh, yan. Yan. Hindi niya kinala. Ulam.
Kilala ko si Marcia. Kilala niya si Marcia. Tsaka si Tibay.
Jeremy, look.
Ayun. Hindi man, napakalaga malunod.
Si Ate Pe. Si Ate Pe, mamatata kita dyan eh.
Kaya ka matiniliro ko, di ba?
Chris! Chris!
Ano pa kumain? Kumain na kami.
Ay, o bilangin nyo. Uwi ako, sabot nyo.
Hindi kumare.
Doon ka sana sa may Christmas tree. Doon ka sana sa may Christmas tree.
Samba, yun sa tayo.
Aha.
Bahay na. Yun, inaalam ko. Si Maribelin.
Yan.
Ito, Christmas tree.
Anong ba?
Bumili na kayo. Hindi na kayo ko sa kayo nyo. Uwi.
Ayan ka, uuwi na talaga.
Siyempre, oo.
Oh, ayan na. Ano ka na?
Oo, nakinadali na kamo. Para sa atin, padala yun sa amin.
Kayo kayong dalawa ni Lisa. Dali.
Ano si Liseto?
Dance, Lisa. Dance. Dance, Ling. Oh, dance.
Dali,
Look at me. Look at me.
Dali. Dali, ako ko ng kaya.
Ay, naka. Pumouse na. Ayaw magsayaw. Oh, sayaw. Dali na. Kepo, dali.
Naku, talaga nagsiseres naman itong isang tulagi eh. Ano sa kabila?
Ayun naman ay magsayaw eh.
Wala. Ano pangalan? Jaja. Nilito tayo. Nakakatulog dito. Nililitan.
Kaya dito, babahay na dito. Kung wala ito, makakatulog.
Hello!
Huwag ka maingay.
Tingnan mo yan. Sumasagay na dito.
Lisette, look at me. Lisette, look at me na.
Dance, Lisette!
O, ikaw, sayo ka.
Dance na kayo. I wanna you. Oh.
Ganun. Nay!
Tama pala sinasabi sa akin ni Maribel.
Alam mo itong sapatos ko? Hindi dito na narating sa Pilipinas. Nangyari ko sa tumawa. Nagasgas ko no? Sa ano? Binibig ng nanay ko. May ginagawa na sa
Meron sa ilalim? Sa ilalim ng lababo?
Gusto! Marihana!
Jeremy, no. Yes, sir. Say hi. Say hi here.
Hi, Mommy!
Say hi, Uncle Rick. Say hi, Auntie Cecil. Hi, Mylan. Hi, Joyce. Come on. Kumanta ka? Kumanta ka yung Silent Night?
I know, I'm not. Yan. Doon ikaw. Napayag naman ang meron.
Ha?
Hindi, wala pa nga.
Ano?
Maybelline! Baby!
No, that's enough.
Hindi mo muna ito sa inyo. Pakanin mo muna. Baka nalilipasan ko na dito. Sige. Tumas. Yun ang Rudy. Nangiran ko sa yung pera. 50 na. Ba't nagkagano? Naatraso eh. Dali mo't baka makisandaan.
Bueno, Kevin, may tatanong lang ako sa iyo, ha?
Ano yan?
Ano bang gayon mo meron ka at hindi ako makatanggi sa bawat hinihiling mo?
Tumas ha? Huwag mo sabihin babakla ka pa sa akin. Ito na. Tao ha?
Baka lumaki pa.
Init! Tumas!
Oo, ano yung pasa sa gobyerno?
Matinig na tumulog naman ha?
Ikaw ba yun naman?
May trabaho!
Ay mo si Tata Ime. Tata Ime.
Wala tayo natin.
Oh, go sit with Tatay. Go sit with Tatay. Go sit with Tatay.
Ay, nakibet.
Magandang impyerna.
Ayan, tapos na yung angkel. Ayan. Mommy! How about Mommy? Papa!
Si Jeremy, hindi ko makita din eh.
That's mine!
Nabasa ko doon.
That's mine!
Pero hindi nagana.
Ano nagaya naman?
Babawin mo na yan. That's my baby. That's mine. My baby.
Init talaga.
Bakit talagang balikan nyo?
Mommy, put this down.
Ayun ba ito? Kwento na tatay nakita mo.
Alam mo nitong ano, parang ano.
Mommy, I want...
Jeremy, wait.
Mommy, can I put this down?
Ikaw, Baldo.
I'm putting this down.
Kwento ka lang kung ano-anong kwento. Huwag mo sabihin, sinundan ka rito. Huwag mo sabihin,
Ha?
nandiyan.
Luma itong tape na ginagamit ko
Di ba
eh.
na nakabit tayo ng kurtina nun
Huwag mo sabihin, marami siya.
Yun lang po eh. Maglalagay sa
Huwag mo sabihin, nandiyan sila sa likod na kutina.
Dahil malamig.
Huwag mo sabihin,
Guys,
Nagtalikuran ito eh.
sila.
Kaya mo yan, ha?
ha? Oh? Oh?
Eh? Ah, meron. Ito, oh.
Giselle! Cheese! Naku, serious na serious siya. Si Lucy ganda, ang layo na na narating.
Ang bata balita na. Okay.
Okay, open your present. Okay, kanino ba galing niya? Kaya may... Upo! Jeremy, you stay with tatay. Bye, tatay.
Joey!
Joey! You don't want to open your present? It's 12 o'clock now in the morning. Come on, 12 o'clock. Ano? Ano?
Oh,
Wow, patingin.
sweeter.
Aba, pwede na isuot bukas.
Ano pa pwede ba?
Patingin. Parapi dito. Aya, suot mo bukas. Patingin tayo.
Oh,
That's nice.
oh.
You know what that is? Manual cockroach.
Oh, ano yan sa'yo?
Purple shirt.
Manuel.
Purple shirt. How about you, Jeremy?
Cockroach.
I think that's from Santa. How about you, Joey? Open yours. Go look for yours.
I don't know what the stop is.
Open it. Oh, ay, wag mo sirain. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan.
Come here, Jeremy.
Ah.
Come here, Jeremy.
Oh, yeah, magtabi na kayo dyan.
Ay, bigay sa akin.
Ha? Okay, you ask nanay. Oh, you ask Jester.
Here, Jeremy.
That's from Santa.
There's more.
Oh, I saw what it is.
What is it?
Okay, okay.
What?
Let Jeremy open it.
Liar? This guy.
Jeremy, what's that?
I told you. Yeah, all he got up to it.
I know. It's good to
This there. This there.
Naka, nagbukasan na dito, oh.
This there.
Mm.
This one.
Ayan, alam mo.
Oh,
You know it's up
ang ganda na iyo. Suot mo na yung bukas.
Ayan.
Joey, you open yours.
Right there.
Oh, it's, wow.
No, but you could unbend the whole thing.
Wow. How about you, Jess? What's Auntie guy?
I can't open it.
I think that's, who gave you that t-shirt, the black
Oh,
t-shirt?
somebody burning these.
Who gave you the black t-shirt?
I should
Who gave you the black t-shirt? Yes, sir.
Which one? The purple one?
Uh-huh. Auntie Sunny?
No, it's purple.
I bet you did hit me.
Wala pangalan?
Jeremy
Ano
is
yan?
Santa Claus.
Ano pangalan? You know what?
Kay Santa Claus
I believe
yan.
Santa Claus is there.
You know what?
I always believe that.
Ano ba to?
Mommy, ano ito?
Oh.
Mommy, I'll tell you.
This? Get that.
O yan, galing kay Santa Claus yan. Tanong mo kung paano paggamit niya kay ano.
Mommy, ito.
This is it.
Mommy,
Hindi, di atin yan, di atin yan.
Mommy, can I
But
open
I'll
it?
never use it,
Mommy,
guys.
can I? Ayan,
What is
kanina
that? I never use it.
Can I
Oh, sick.
Kay Santa Claus yan.
Oh, dear, so you can't hear it.
Mommy, I know, Mommy,
Oo.
That's not in my room.
Can I open another one?
Kunin mo yung rondalya mo. Kunin mo.
Another one.
Hindi. Kanya yan. Ba't niya papauwi? Kanya eh. Bigay ko yan sa kanya. Mabayra kayo kung ano. Tinuturuan niyo pa ng...
Was it $37?
Ha?
Was it only black?
I don't know. Yeah.
Saan galing?
Auntie guy. Hey, Joey.
Ito. Ito. Ito.
Not yet, Jeremy.
You can try it now. You can try it now on that stereo.
What
They gonna work.
Joy?
Why?
Ask me.
Apa you?
Why you know it's yours?
Is
Why you know it's yours?
What?
Why you know it's yours?
Good. Alright, because you asked me in the bathroom. Oh, does this work your stereo? The one that you always listen to?
Can I open another one? Can I open another one?
Mom, who's this for?
Can I open another one?
I don't know what it says.
Just two from. Yeah.
One for me, one for Nanay.
Okay, this is for you then.
I think that's for me, yeah.
Here.
Open it up.
Mom, is that any batteries?
Go check what battery it needs. Open it up. There, we have battery in the bedroom. We have battery in the
I'll
bedroom.
leave and then it.
You guys wake up early tomorrow.
I don't think I need those.
You guys wake up early. We're gonna go to church.
Put over there with Mom's kids.
We're gonna go to church.
There.
What? Ano pangalan na eh? Hindi ko makita. Genji? Hindi ko alam yan.
What? There's more clothes.
Sino may bigay sa inyo yan? Yun, Jester, sino may...
Mommy, this is for you, Mommy.
Oh.
Who's that?
It's a toy inside.
Oh, thank you. Here's Mommy. Bridget give you this.
Oh my.
Oh, yeah?
No, I forgot.
Ay, wag mo patayin muna ni.
Dad, open these up for Mom.
Ni, ang dilim. Wala ilaw kasi dito.
Ano yan, tatay? Kaya saan galing yung
Mom, you need a battery.
Anong size?
What kind?
Go check in the bedroom.
One AAA. I got one.
Ayun, guni.
Is this AAA?
Kunin mo na.
Let me see.
Daddy! Daddy, what's that?
I know how to, look, I got a cool haircut from Dad.
Santa Claus.
Double A, just
That's
Dad.
not free
This
for
is
you.
double A, just this.
Ito, kanino to? Atong dalawa niyan. Kita ate Dignat kay ano. How? Kanino naman yung binubuksan mo, Jeremy?
Jimmy.
Kanino?
Uncle Dick. Uncle Dick.
Oh.
Oh, sick. I got the same shirt.
Lagay mo yung AAA battery so tatay can
Double A.
try that.
Double A.
Okay.
Got double A.
You don't have any AA?
Here's what we...
Ni, meron kang AA, ni?
No, we ran out. Dad was asking me for some, but I don't have any. We might, I don't know.
Bukas na lang.
I'll make sure I get keep
Ayun, magtitingin si Ablet.
Look how
Huh?
it's
Ayun.
That's not right. It's not the end.
Para mapapakinggan mo yung rondalia, yung ano.
Mom, it's for Mark and Nina.
Kahit na ikinatuon nakahiga.
It's for Mark and Nina.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, Joy, me and you got the same thing. Oh. Hey, Dad. Yeah.
Oh, this is mine.
Who gave that? Who gave that, Joey?
Uncle,
I got this, Mommy.
Mary with the
Mommy,
M-A.
look what I got.
Harry.
I'll open it, okay, Mommy?
Good, Dad.
Whoa.
Who gave that?
Jeremy,
VJ, baby? Whose is
the
this?
Power Ranger, the one I told you I'll give you.
This is VJ.
For you?
Okay, Joey.
You have to read first.
Here, just
Joey, you know I read for... I can't read.
Joey.
Kuya.
Kuya Jeremy. Merry Christmas from Lisette.
Oh, that's from Lisette. Okay, open it up.
I can't just read the stocking. Ow, sticky tape.
You go over there. It's too close for me.
Okay.
Over there by Joey's feet. Right there.
Cup again. Hey, look, it's from Avon.
Just
I know, that's from Christine. Oh yeah, Christine always does this stuff.
what's
Remember
that?
that Christmas mug? Yeah, she gave me that. I bet you I'll get one this year. Yeah, I'm psychic. Well, oh, but you get an added 10 with it. The Christmas mug. No, actually it's a Valentine mug. For Christine. This I got a mug too, right there.
Mommy, this is... Baby, just sit right there.
You can write on the mug.
No, oh yeah, maybe.
Sure, just
No,
write
the
on it.
auntie erased it. It's
Yes,
old
sir.
stuff they use.
What's that say?
To Kuya Ime.
Kuya,
Yeah, I don't know how you could read that.
From who's that? From Auntie Pe?
I think it's a different, yeah.
Yeah. Ubarin mo, galing kay Ate Pe daw yan, bigyan sa inyo.
To Kuya Imet.
Kuya? He's not Kuya.
I'm blind.
Sige, tingnan mo sigarilyo. Baka pang liyabe. Para liyabi eh.
It's probably
Sige, buksan mo kulon. Baka kulon. Galing kay Ate Pe. Kay Ate Pepot. Baka kulon. Baka kulon.
Jeremy's wearing green.
Baka laro. Hindi ka papasok pa. Ano yun, Ate Pe? Oh, napakaganda.
Mommy, look it!
Maganda yan.
Mommy, look it! Mommy!
Wow! Sino bibigyan yan? Lisette. Oh, si Senny.
Lotion yun.
Dad, this is... What's in here?
Oh, ano yan?
Sa kate.
Mahal ka mo siya kate.
Gamot sa kape, hydrocortisone.
I think it's from Christine. It's CHIS, all the stuff.
Oh,
like that.
cool.
It's another cigarette.
Bakit ni pagka kinukunan ko si Joey malapit doon sa ilaw, nagbo-blurred?
Because you put autofocus.
Yeah.
You're supposed to. Because it's focusing on something else. Yeah.
Good job.
It's focusing on that light and it's getting blurred. Okay, what's up, Jeremy? What's that?
What's up, Doc? I mean,
Oh, the godmother box.
Another box
Yeah.
from Auntie Pe. Okay. Be careful.
Oh,
Might be glass.
I'm gonna break this real quick.
Save kayo. Magkano ng baba?
Is it because you need to open it, Jeremy?
Well,
It's like
you have to. Well, because sometimes you're broken answers. That's why. Santa knows.
Santa knows.
Well,
Mom knows a lot.
Bones knows.
Mom knows a
Bone
lot.
knows.
Open it, Dad.
Everyone.
Open it.
No one does
It's a
like
bug.
the bull. Joey.
Mommy, Ebon. Ebon.
Ebon daw, Ebon. Sabi ni Jeremy, Ebon. Avon, not Ebon. Ebon daw. sabi ni Jeremy, Ebon. Kolon yan. Anong pangalan?
Open
Yeah,
it.
he's the light.
Open it.
Ilan yan? Ay, pati lotion. Ayun, meron kang aftershave. Kime, ayun. Para pagkakaahit, mapahi dito para mabango. Mapahi dito sa ano, sa baba. Aha. Pagkakaahit. Ano ni yung pangalan ng ano, kulon? Black suede. Sinasabi dyan eh.
Black suede. Don't you have that in the store?
Dang, Mom, I was asking something cheaper.
Kulon.
Do you got some more food?
Abon.
Bakit?
Dang, Jay, where'd you pump tag?
Ito, ganda.
Look for Jeremy.
This is Mom.
Ano ba material mo binisa?
Yung, ano ba ang baterya yan, Jester? What kind of battery? Double A. Bukas.
You know what I do? I thought it was upside down.
Yung ba ganyan kalaki?
Mhm.
Does it play CD?
Tapos pwede mo ilagay yung ano mo dyan, yung yung rondalya mo.
Banda?
Mhm. Pwede habang natutulog, pwede ka nakikinig o ano.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed
Miski naglalak, miski naandyan ka lang sa may garage, pwede.
What should I get?
Go get that box. That one. The one? No. Where's the other? Yeah, the box behind Jeremy. Give it to Nanay. Uh-huh.
Nothing
Call
in it.
Nanay.
This is that
That's okay, that's
$100
okay. I know. Give it to Nanay. Here. Nanay! Eto, buksan niyo. Dito na lang.
Nana, look, there's nothing in it.
Ayan, dyan.
I took it out.
See, this is the one you're looking at the...
Uh-huh.
ito
Oh,
galing.
that cheap thing. Oh, never
Kay
mind.
Big Santa Claus.
Who's from this? From
Kay
this?
Santa Claus.
Who?
Jeremy, put it back.
Mom, Santa Claus, not
Watch out,
Cloud.
Jay, don't step on the present.
Santa Claus.
Mom, Fuentes, okay?
Who's that?
All these for Fuentes.
Oh.
Joey,
You should put it in a bag.
I'm going to.
Okay. And get a...
No, don't touch it. Damn you. Hey, Danielle. Put it back, Jeremy. Put it back. What?
Laki to, ano pang kalang na to? That's all I got.
Nice.
Ano kaya to? Muro.
Earring. It's a ring. Break
The
it.
Fenties, man.
Oh, ito.
Avons. Oh, I thought there was nothing in there.
Ganda.
So, you're gonna lose this.
Tingnan ko, Nay.
Ayos.
Tingnan ko, Nay. Teka, hindi ko makita.
Bango? It's like,
Nice.
I think I like
Tingnan,
the
tingnan.
better than the
Thank you,
ring.
Santa Claus.
Claus.
Bigay mo, Jeremy.
Mom,
Kita. Saan?
Mom,
Hmm.
did you give Melvin my
No, you know why? I didn't wrap the comics yet.
throw it in here.
We're gonna give it tomorrow. We're gonna go over there.
Don't throw it in here, Mom. Get it now. Mom.
Yeah. I'll get it tomorrow.
Sabi niya ito subukan.
Boy, bakit?
Yung sabihin galing sa
I'll
akin.
pay $5 for that,
Huwag yung
Mom.
sasabihin galing sa akin. Pag
Sabi kita niya.
So I paid $1 or
Nice.
75 cents for
tunay yan. Nakakala niyo hindi tunay yan.
Look at all these no names.
From Mom. I guess I need it here.
Maganda.
Shut this.
Nakakandeng.
Naandit si Nanalita, maingit yun sa inyo. Naingit yun eh.
Hindi naman sila nabigyan.
Ewan ko kasi
Ako nga, hindi ko alam sa kanila. Hindi ko alam the back.
They probably the Jehovah. Are they Jehovah? Jehovah.
anong Jehovah?
Sorry,
Jehovah.
Ay.
Oh, you know what? I wanna hear on that radio. Let me see. Let me see. I wanna hear that radio.
Maganda yung
Yeah,
sweater.
it's a breaking site.
Bukas, suot niya na yan.
Oh,
I want to say
already
a big old hole with
Dali,
this
son.
thing. I don't think it's full.
akala ko yun.
Ang dami Thank you, Santa Claus. Thank
Na,
you,
yung
thank
box,
you.
ay titiklupin din, gagamitin din yan. The box, don't rip it, okay? We're gonna need it next year.
Tatapos.
Oh, yan.
Santa Claus, thank you, thank you.
Mom,
Thank you,
Mom?
Santa Claus. Thank you,
Mom?
thank you. Bago hindi ko
Cancel this?
maglalaro eh.
Huh?
Bye.
cancel it.
Ganito, aking kuha mo na lang. Lento. Nanay ko. Nanay. Teka, ano yan? Ito, akin.
All I ask
Be careful, Jester.
is in the garage.
Be careful on fixing it. Okay, is that all boxes, Jeremy?
All
No.
I asked was for
Take it out from the box. Put it out there. Okay, mix it with your other jogging. Okay, give me the jogging pants. Okay, give me the other one. Okay, give me the clothes from the box and throw away the box. The box, throw it away. Throw it away. I don't need this kind of box. No, I don't like that kind of box. Okay. Put it in a plastic bag. Nanay, magkumuha na kayong plastic bag. Lagay niyo lahat sa ano.
That's small. I can fit that in my backpack and make it school.
Nasaan ba yung kay Jeremy pero tatago niya kayo? Yan, akin! Nasaan ang... Diba niya ko alam mo? To.
I wonder if this can record.
No, hindi yan, to.
Leave that CD in it. Bet you not.
Ito, ganda rin.
Joey, say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody.
Hi to everybody.
Oh, what's their name?
What's their name? I don't know.
Well, to your cousin. Look here.
All of my cousins, they're all here.
Okay, you look and say hi to them. Go look here and say hi to them.
Hi, Merry Christmas!
How about you?
Hi!
Okay, sino ang gusto makausap?
No one.
No one.
Say hi, Joyce. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hi, Jayaan.
I want to speak to Andrew.
Okay, hi, Andrew. Okay.
Andrew.
Okay.
Hi, Kuya.
Like Nathaniel.
Oh.
Hey, Joy.
Hi. Okay. Hi, Joyce.
Mylan. Hi, Auntie
Oh.
Mylan. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Ate Rosan.
Sabi mo, Ate Rosan.
Rosan.
Dali na.
Oo, sige.
Yeah, sabi mo, hi, Ate Rosan.
Hi, Aunt Rosan.
Jayaan.
All the effort.
Jaya.
Jaya.
Si Jaya and Joyce.
Hi, Jay.
And Joyce. Sabi mo, Joyce, I wanna hear your song. Sabi mo. Ano?
Joyce, I want to hear your song.
Jimmy rap.
Jingle bells.
Jimmy rap.
Jingle bells,
Sing
jingle bells.
Jingle.
I forgot the song.
Oh, you forgot the next?
Go sing Billy.
Ito, kalito.
Okay, Jester, say hi to everyone and Merry Christmas. You have to greet Merry Christmas. Come on.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
How come it's
Look here. Look here, Jester.
Bah humbug.
I thought you said get this.
Okay, okay. I want you to talk here first. Joey, greet them, please.
Bah humbug.
Joey, greet your cousins.
I'll greet my cousins.
Yeah? How are you
I don't know
gonna...
my cousins.
Well, greet them. Joey,
What?
say Merry Christmas.
No.
Oh, well?
Bah
What you gonna
humbug.
say? Ano?
Bah humbug.
What's that?
Pabango, pang lalaki to.
I'm an atheist.
You should say something. Come on, Jester.
Hope you survived the next day.
Say hi and Merry Christmas.
Hi, and Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Malalaki yan.
Nay, bati ako yung may magbumati ka. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas sa inyo lahat. Santang, Rick,
Oh, yun lang.
Joy, Ali,
Ayan.
Sandy, Egay,
Oh, Alice.
Alice,
Deyan.
Deyan, Nene, Ed,
You don't all vote for the
Josie.
same
Mga
one.
kapitbahay mo doon.
o yung mga... Mon!
Ah,
Ano pa isa? Nonong,
oh. Asawa ni F.
yun nga, Nene,
Ah, Nini ba yun?
magsama-sama kayong maigi.
Sana.
Ah.
Si Sana,
Oh, Jeremy, you sit by tatay. Oh.
Tatang.
Oh, hanta, tanong mo, tayo nagsama-sama di. Jeremy, oh.
Sa'yo, sabi na, ako hindi na nabanggit.
Oh. Jeremy, talk.
What?
Oh, nanay, bati doon kayo.
Anta, Merry Christmas.
Doon kayo tumabi.
Mag-anak, Celso,
Doon kayo tumabi. Kaya may...
Mylan,
Kinati Antang.
Antang, kay Lasja, kay Peli.
Kinati
Merry
Orin.
Christmas, sinaturing.
Kinati Obi.
Sinaobi. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Dito, mukhang lawang Pasko.
Ano oras na ba? Alas 12 na.
Alas 12, ano ngayon?
Jeremy, paandarin mo yung ating Christmas tree. Dali. Para may na ano. Dali tayo. Para may music.
At mamaya, nagbubukas kami ng bigay Santa Claus.
In the garage. You want these? No.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because they're gonna try the radio, Toy.
Yeah. Let's do
A little. More. Close. More.
Shut up.
More. More. O, patayin mo daw muna. Kasi they're gonna try the radio.
Yeah.
Is it all done now?
This is trying to put it together.
O, kayo maghonta dyan. O. Merong panter.
Ito, kailangan hindi pa kami natutulog. Alas 12 na. Nagbubukasan ng...
Ang aming likpitan nandoon.
Ang lipitan na yun. Ang...
Napunta kayo. Sabihin nyo, sino nagpunta dito kanina?
Napunta dito si Basi.
Ano na? Keme, o.
Hmm.
Salita ka na. Salita ka na. Bay, Diyos ko po si Presidente. Salita na.
Oy, Rick! Anta, ito, mapas ka sa akin. Ano niya, oh?
Yan, ang tatay mo. Laging lusin, pupunta ng SWAT.
Papunta na yung sa SWAT meet.
Ito, pupunta sa SWAT.
Papagawa mo kami yung salamin.
Nasira kasi ang salamin. Ngayon, 25 dito, araw na linggo. 26.
Kaya bukas na
Araw na
swap meet.
linggo.
Kaya pupunta sa SWAT meet.
Nakakita ka ng sapatos.
Nakakita ka mo ng sapatos na meron na ilaw.
Oh, ito ka mo, ito, meron ka mo sa 50. $50, ang dalawa.
Kaya ilan ba yung bibili niyo?
Dalawa. Si Eyat si Kwat.
Kung nakakuha kung aaso sila, dinilo ito ng damit ng bata. Mas maganda pa damit niya sa atin ng bata. Sapatos, meron na.
Ano may pinapakinggan niyo?
Ha?
Ano pinapakinggan niyo? O, tamo na.
Meron itong banda. Oh.
Jeremy! Jeremy!
Tene!
Ito ba ay maring gamitin? Sa sukulat to? Nana.
Ba, ay nagbihis na pala anak ko eh.
Ito.
I'm gonna go doodle.
Oh, you wanna go to the...
Sasabihin ko, Rick, ikaw
Ayan.
ang Joey, oh.
Kamu, ayan si Joey, pakita. Kamukha mo si Uncle. Sabi mo, Uncle Rick, sabi mo ano gusto mo?
Oh, Mika.
I want a CD to, I'll ask for my mom.
CD?
Sabihin mo.
Ikaw, salta, sabihin mo.
Sabihin mo.
Ano gusto mo?
Tinitighawa mo.
I'll get one later.
Pinata na, tinitighawa. Tamo.
Yeah.
Got pimples.
I'll go get CD later.
Sabi mo, Happy New Year.
Ayan.
It's not time yet.
Yeah, but you can greet early. You can greet.
Bro.
Tanong mo kung gusto mo sa t-shirt, sabihin mo.
I don't know.
You don't know
Where's
what you
this at?
want?
Philippines?
What you want particular? Back home, candy?
No.
The yama?
No, that don't last long.
Eh,
I don't know.
Hindi, para pag may ikaw, dala ko na yan dito.
Oh, I have supply of comics.
Kailan pa, hindi pa.
Bueno, ano madali lang, yun na eh.
Uncle Rick takes high school though.
I'm in high school.
Yeah, what grade? What grade are you in now?
Freshman.
Ito, meron kaming kastanyas. May pili.
Sabi mo kay Uncle Rick, ikaw ang highest score in geometry.
Not no more.
Not no more, how come?
It's too hard.
It is?
Now they're doing all this other stuff. I don't know.
Well, just say hi to everyone, your
Did
cousins.
that. That's yesterday.
You did?
Yesterday. That's right.
You introduced yourself. Did you? Did
You
you?
know how to do that?
You introduced yourself.
No.
Joey.
No.
Joey, I'm 14 years old.
Yeah.
No girlfriends yet, never been kissed, never been touched.
Uh-huh.
Ano ba, tanghali na tayo.
That's it, no?
And I didn't know your dad went already over there. But we're gonna go to Mylene.
Store?
Yeah.
It's not noon yet.
I know, I told him that.
I'll go work there now.
Okay, go. You're gonna go over there now?
I need to get there.
At the store? I'll grab you there.
And plus for the bike, I might drop this and like a corn nuts.
Where are you gonna drop that?
Asim to.
Corn nuts. I'm gonna eat it.
Papatayin mo.
My lunch.
Ito yung alis, ano?
Hindi na. Hindi na, patayin na lang. Pinatay mo yung ano. Oh, that's it.
Sharp.
Yeah.
You teach tatay how to turn it off, turn it on, how to...
Ganyan mo tayo, patang mo doon sa iyong pa. Doon sa meron.
Oh, you told me that Mortal Kombat.
Oh, okay. Mortal Kombat.
Kombat.
Right.
Wow.
Ayun. Kaya pinudin niya.
Hindi, binili namin eh, ano, yung $69 yun. Yung game. Yung game.
So, Joel picked 72.
Joey?
Joel.
What kind of game?
Street Fighter.
Give present.
Sika.
The guy.
Yeah, wow, nice. That's expensive, you know that?
Good material.
I know. Probably $30 each.
You said...
Nanay, mga 32 yun.
I said that's okay because...
Uncle Pogi.
That's okay, Kamo.
Because
Uncle don't have that much work.
Because he's working like midnight to 6.
Yeah, that's okay. You don't need to ask
And he
questions.
sleeps in the afternoon.
Hindi yan nahingi. Hindi nahingi.
And then
Siguro sinabi ni Pogi, sabi niya, you
he
don't
still
have
has
to
pay for
worry.
insurance and car.
Yeah, that's okay. Just tell to Uncle, that's okay. I don't need a
I told him
present.
that. That's okay.
Why? What Uncle told you?
He said, I said, oh, I have no present for you. I said, oh, that's okay.
Uh-huh, that's okay, yeah. We don't need present, Kamo, all the time.
Ano, what color Jeremy, Jester?
Maroon.
What color?
Maroon or red. Well, that's his favorite color. Red.
You should bring something to eat. Did you eat?
Yeah, cornets and lollipop.
See how Joey, stand by nanay. Ayan, oh. Oh, Rick, oh, tingnan mo. Ang laki-laki ni Joey. 14 years old.
Look at
Nanay,
Mom,
too
it's like
short.
this.
How tall? How tall are you now?
I don't know.
Samantahan na ako po kami sa Pilipinas. Small. Noong
See?
1983.
You don't know anything
No,
now.
remember?
Look at Daniel. Come on,
Mm-hmm.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Saan niyo raw, no?
Makes 6. No, 5'10", huh?
Kay Eme. Macau. Kasi mas mataas pa rin sa'yo si Jester. Kaya Eme.
Oo, patatis Jester.
Ayan na.
But Dad,
Ha?
who's taller?
Yeah.